Hello everyone, myself Khushu Verma, Technical Solution Specialist for Structures at Capricorn Technologies Private Limited. I would like to welcome you all to today's insight on Structure WorkSuite Overview. So, in this insight, I'll first give a brief introduction of our organization, then I'll talk about the Stat Pro, and then Stat Pro Advanced, and then I'll tell you about the Structure WorkSuite and what is a Structure Workflow. And then I'll give you an overview of different products included in a structural workshop. So before going into the session, allow me to introduce our organization, Capricorn Technologies. Capricorn is India's leading design and construction management technology solution provider for architecture, engineering, and construction. We are one of the largest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley and an authorized training center. We have more than 300 dedicated team members, and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in the AEC and related industries. We are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with the best of our abilities. Capricorn Technologies is now a part of Arcane's Group. So, in today's insight, we will be learning about structure worksheet and the different product included in structure worksheet and what is the use of different product. I'll give you a brief description of every product included in structure worksheet. Like here on the screen, you can see the Stat Pro Advanced is the first product, and then Stat Foundation Advanced, RCDC, Stat Advanced Concrete Design, RAM Structural System, RAM Concept, RAM Connection, RAM Element, and MicroStrat Advanced. These are the products included in structure workshop. Now I'll give you a different, I'll give you a brief description about each product one by one. First, I'll tell you what is the benefit of structure worksheet. So, to know the benefit, first and most important aspect of using structure worksheet is that this provides a complete workflow for any structural project. And you can, and it has a greater reuse of reinformation by flexible interoperability, lower cost of ownership, work with multiple materials like steel, aluminum, timber, concrete, etc. So first, I'll tell you about the Stat Pro Connect Edition. It's a 3D structural analysis and design software, analysis and design of steel, concrete, timber, aluminum, and cold-formed steel structures. It consists of more than 90 plus international design codes and several analysis methods, linear and non-linear method analysis, finite element analysis method, etc. And it contains large section database. And what's new in Stat Pro Connect Edition? New ribbon-based graphical user interface, enhanced modeling capacity, fast solver, code updates. There are many code implemented in Stat Pro Connect Edition like IS 875 wind analysis code is implemented in Connect Edition, which wasn't in the previous version V8i. Sorry. And different design modules also included in Connect Edition. Now I'll tell you a little bit difference between the Stat Pro and Stat Pro Advanced Connect Edition. And Stat Pro, you have access of RCDC and foundation part, but it has limited features. Like you can design or structures in RCDC, but you cannot save or modify the results in the Stat Pro. But in Stat Advanced Concrete Design or in Stat Advanced License, you can save the results, you can modify the results, etc. These are the extra features, and you have you have full access of all the features in Stat Pro Advanced License, which these features are limited in Stat Pro Connect Edition basic license. Now I'll tell you a little bit about RCDC or Advanced Concrete Design. RCDC basically detailing and drafting software. It designed concrete elements such as beams, columns, walls, slabs, and foundation. Produce detailed plan, elevation, cross section, drawings, bar bending schedules, and bill of quantity. You can also estimate the concrete in RCDC. How much concrete is going to be used in a project? You can estimate in RCDC. Auto form physical members from analytical model. Modify design data anytime as per requirement. And RCDC has interoperability with StatPro, ETAPS, and RAM. And different design codes included in RCDC like Indian Standard IS 456 2000 plus 13920 2016, and different other codes like British, American, European codes, etc. Following data can be extracted by RCDC from analysis file like entire model geometry, included the section properties and other specifications assigned to the model. Load definition, cases, and combination data. Member analysis forces for all basic loads, cases, and load combinations. Now, I'll give you a brief description of STAT Foundation Advanced. So basically, STAT Foundation Advanced is for foundation design, comprehensive foundation design software. Design any type of foundation from basic isolated foundation to complex plant foundation. Provide efficient foundation design, design optimization, and automatic drawing generation. Easy interoperability with StatPro, Excel, and other ISM-enabled software. So different design codes included in Foundation Advanced like American codes, United Kingdom codes, Indian codes, Australian codes, Canada codes, Chinese codes, and European codes. Now I'll tell you a little bit about the RAM structure system. So it's a structure design software for buildings. Basically, you can design both steel and concrete structure in RAM structural system. It is fully integrated application, suite offering complete building analysis and design and drafting of both steel and concrete structures. Separate lateral and gravity framing system. Advanced flow diaphragm. Wind tunnel test. You can also do the wind tunnel test in RAM structure system. Now I'll tell you about RAM connection. So RAM connection is a steel connection analysis and design software for virtually any connection type. We can design and analyze a wide range of connections, including shear, moment, and brace connections. RAM connections includes a comprehensive library of connection types, including welded and bolted connection, as well as a variety of steel shapes and sizes. The software also includes automatic connections generation tools to help users quickly create custom connections. Or you can also customize your connection in RAM connections. A RAM connection supports building information modeling workflow also. Now I'll tell you a little bit about RAM concept. RAM concept basically used for concrete slab design. Design any type of elevated concrete floor slab system, including post-tension slab, flat slab, RCC slab, or hybrid slab. Design mat foundation includes tendon optimization, load history, load pattern, cracked section, and footfall analysis. RAM concept support building information modeling workflow also. Now I'll tell you a little bit about RAM elements. So RAM element, it's a 3D structure analysis and design software. Perform analysis and design, including quickly performing 3D finite element analysis of almost any type of structures with concrete, steel, and wood materials. Template-based module for retaining concrete and masonry walls, foundation and truss design. Pre-engineering buildings, structures, open web steel joist design can be done in RAM elements. Basically, RAM elements is very useful for pre-engineering buildings. This is all for today's insight. For more videos and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technologies Private Limited. Like and comment if you like the insight. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestions, query, or topic you would want to discuss. Thank you. See you next week.